Hello friends, today we are talking about the PRV, the transformer PRV. So this is a transformer PRV and this is a safety device to be used in transformer, pressure tank and pressure lines for indoor and outdoor applications suitable for repeated operation than the conventional expansion valve. So this is a flag and we are talking about the other things. There is a one limit switch SPD 1 NO plus 1 NC. It can be 2 NO 2 NC. So this will be 6 ampere 24 volt DC or maybe 10 ampere 230 volt AC. So this is mounting both horizontally and vertically by help of four mounting holes in aluminum cassette bolt. So this is a pressure settings of the PRV. So the pressure relief switch or PRV will be 0.42 kg per centimeter square to 0.70 kg per centimeter square pressure settings. So so how it is work and what is the constructions of the PRV. So when the pressure in the tank rises, the total force of area defined by the top gasket on the operating disc also increase. So as soon as this force exceeds the load applied by the spring, the operating disc moves slightly upward. This exposes the transformer pressures to the greater area corresponding to the diameter of side gasket, resulting the sudden increase of force. The disc lift instantaneously and vent out the excessive pressure in the transformer when the pressure fall to allowable value, and then the spring forces the disc back to its original position. It has also a flag which is operated by switch operating rod. The switch assembly for alarm is optional and houses one NO and one NC contact, as I said earlier. So there is a one signal come in common point, and so when this alarm create for the safety purpose of transformer. So this is PRV. So thank you for the watching. Do subscribe and like and share. Thanks.